Subscribe to our channel. Amazing information about our mysterious world awaits you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Can a star become a planet? No, a star cannot become a planet. Stars and planets are fundamentally different objects with distinct formation processes and characteristics. Formation processes. Stars and planets form through different mechanisms. Stars originate from the gravitational collapse of enormous molecular clouds, which are primarily composed of gas and dust. As the cloud collapses under its own gravity, it heats up and forms a protostar. Eventually, the protostar reaches a critical temperature and pressure at its core, initiating nuclear fusion and giving rise to a star. This fusion process produces vast amounts of energy, causing the star to shine brightly. In contrast, planets form within protoplanetary disks, flat, rotating disks of gas and dust that surround young stars. These disks consist of a range of materials, including heavier elements, rock, and sometimes even gas. Over time, small particles in the disk collide and gradually accumulate, forming larger bodies called planetesimals. Through continued collisions and accretion, these planetesimals grow into protoplanets, and eventually, into fully formed planets. Size and mass differences. Stars and planets have distinct size and mass ranges. Stars are significantly larger and more massive than planets. Stars can range in size from relatively small stars like red dwarfs, which may be only a fraction of the mass of the Sun, to massive stars that are dozens or even hundreds of times more massive than the Sun. In comparison, planets are much smaller and less massive. They vary in size from small rocky planets, like Mercury or Mars, to gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Energy generation. Stars are self-sustaining fusion reactors. The intense heat and pressure at the core of a star enable the fusion of hydrogen atoms into helium. This fusion process releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat, causing the star to emit radiation and shine brightly. In contrast, planets do not generate energy through nuclear fusion. They rely on the energy they receive from their host star, either through direct radiation or heat re-radiated from the star's light. Planets cannot sustain fusion reactions or emit significant amounts of energy on their own. While there are instances of stars and planets coexisting in binary or multiple star systems, and exoplanets orbiting other stars, the fundamental processes and characteristics that differentiate stars and planets prevent a star from transforming into a planet. The vast differences in size, mass, formation mechanisms, and energy generation make it impossible for a star to undergo the transformation into a planet.